this is how I dedicated to the team of teachers here who have been so passionate. And I don't think that they have a personal life. I mean, their entire life is robotics and RFL. So it's to get such a dedicated staff who are very strict at times. They are blunt, they are to the face. That has also taught our children, that this is serious. Either be serious or walk out. And that is the same approach which the teachers in school, his school, have noticed it. And they have told me that there is something about Veer. He is so sincere and so passionate in everything that he is doing in class. Yes, he's still very quiet. He doesn't voice out his opinions still. But WRO, FTC, RoboFun as a place has really given him a lot. And we as parents are very, very grateful. And I don't see my son's journey ending here. He's come back to me already with saying, Mama, I would want to do the FTC. Mama, even in 10th standard, I want to go ahead. I don't know how much it is possible. But yes, he's already told me that whether it's 11th or 12th or wherever I am, if I am in Mumbai, then it will be RFL. So I think that itself for a parent is, a very big gift. So all I can say is that RFL is like a complete blessing in our children's life, and they have really shaped our children's entire journey very beautifully. So thank you very much for everything that you have done, to all the sirs and the teachers here.